Oh, you think it's food because I've got my mouth on it?
Grace thinks everything is food. Grace thinks everything is food, Mom. Do you guys like your new setup? Gonna show Mom your new R? No. Of course not. Mr. Bird! So you're all sorts of chattery today. You need a bath. Don't back talk to me. You need a bath.
Interchangeable with my other ones, but these were made different, so they're not the same.
Mr. Bird. Oh, now you're going to be quiet. Of course. Goofy. Hello?
Your boy will be home soon.
Hello? Mr. Bird? Hello? Mr. Bird? Hello? Hello? Hello, Mr. Bird? I swear it sounded like you just said you're a turd. It wouldn't surprise me if you did. So many people say that to you. It's because that's what you are. You guys have been caught. You guys have been caught. I'm so showing your mother. Your mother gave me gay birds. You two have been caught on film. Huh? Yes, this means you too, Trouble. You've been caught. Poor birds. So abused. Okay, we are not porn stars. Oh my gosh, do you hear that noise? That is Lilly saying, why aren't you paying attention to me? What was that? What in the world was that? Hello? Hello?